Hey guys, today let's learn how to use ChatGPT over on Discord. So the process is going to be very simple. Just watch the video till the end and make sure to follow all the steps properly. First of all, open your browser and then over there you have to type for Discord bot list and go to the first given link by discordbotlist.com. And once the Discord bot list website opens, then you have to search for ChatGPT over here. Now we have these ChatGPT bots right here, so you have to pick this blue one. Now we need to add this bot to our Discord server. Just simply click on Add ChatGPT Discord Bot. Then it will redirect you to another page. Now you have to select your server and click Continue, scroll down and click Authorize. And you can see the bot is authorized, and now you're gonna go to your Discord. Now go to the server which you have selected before, and here you can see the ChatGPT bot is here. Now in order to chat with this bot, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go and type /chat. Now we have two options, the message and the model. So in the message you have to write anything, and in the model you have to select any ChatGPT bot model. So I recommend you to use the GPT-3 and just hit enter. Now at this time, due to a lot of traffic, this bot doesn't reply. Maybe the servers are down for this bot, and here you can see I've asked for a bot before. You can see why quadratic formula is used, and it replied me the quadratic formula is used to blah blah blah. Anyways, so once the server get fixed, you can use this bot over on your Discord. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.